Intel's Battlemage B580 series is finally here and ready to buy from their AIC partners like Acer, ASRock, Gunnir, Sparkle, Maxin, and Onix. At their core, all these GPUs offer nearly the same advanced technology, but there are differences when it comes to how they look, how they cool, and maybe the kinds of ports they come with. Now that there are a good number of aftermarket choices out there, it's easy to feel unsure about which one to pick. We have some recommendations that will help you narrow it down so you can make the most of your money and get the card that fits your setup just right. The Gunnir Arc Battlemage B580 Index GPU looks like a thoughtfully designed aftermarket graphics card built on Intel's Arc architecture. Right from the first glance, the card delivers a premium aesthetic. The front features a dual-fan cooling system with two large axial fans that dominate the shroud. Gunnir has opted for a carbon fiber-like textured finish on the front panel, which gives it an industrial yet refined look, a design choice that advances its visual appeal in any build. Turning to the back, the GPU sports a sturdy metal backplate with clean-cut lines and index branding. This design also prevents GPU sag, which is a welcome addition for gamers who plan on heavy or long-term use. For the GPU clock speed, it will run max at 2670 MHz. The single 8-pin power connector speaks to its efficiency and mid-range power demands. Gunnir has effectively balanced performance with power consumption, which makes the Battlemage B580 Index GPU ideal for users seeking reliability without excessive power draw. Alright, we just saw some cool gadgets that are now quite popular, but that wasn't always the case. A lot of marketing had to be done for them to garner such a fan base. So if you are a business owner and want to increase your sales and drive more traffic to your sites, you should check out today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. With TikTok for Business, you can launch your first campaign in just 3 easy steps. First, answer a few questions, and TikTok will create a personalized marketing plan just for you. Then, craft your content using an easy-to-use template or upload existing creative. Finally, run your campaign and watch your business reach new heights with the most engaged audience online. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today. Certainly, Gunnir has another variant for the Battlemage B580 series. The Photon OC White not only brings a gorgeous design but also delivers impressive specifications. This GPU runs at 2850 MHz clock speed. Paired with 12 GB of GDDR6 RAM on a 192-bit memory bus, it ensures quality performance across graphically intensive applications. This combination of VRAM and bus width makes it well suited for 1440p gaming. The GPU operates on the PCIe 4.0 interface, which ensures faster data transfer speeds between the GPU and the rest of the system. For display connectivity, there is one HDMI 2.1 port and 3 DisplayPort 2.1 ports. HDMI 2.1 allows for 4K gaming at 120 Hz or 8K at 60 Hz, while DisplayPort 2.1 is excellent for ultra-high refresh rates in competitive gaming or multi-monitor setups. Cooling efficiency is another standout feature of the B580 Photon OC with its triple-fan design. Despite having a TBP of 220 watts, the cooling ensures it remains efficient and quiet. Overall, the Gunnir Arc Battlemage B580 Photon OC White delivers excellent specifications for its class. Acer's Nitro version of the Arc B580 showcases a design that brings power, cooling efficiency, and premium build quality all together. At its core, the card features Intel's Xe2 architecture with 20 cores and a 2670 MHz clock speed. Designed with gamers in mind, the card promises a quality experience, whether you're pushing for high refresh rates at 1080p or exploring immersive visuals on 8K displays in terms of output options, including an HDMI 2.1 and 3 display, port 2.1. The integration of a PCIe 4.0 bus interface ensures efficient data transfer and compatibility with modern gaming rigs. This GPU has the Frostblade cooling thermal system, which is specifically designed to keep the card performing at its peak under heavy loads. The dual-fan setup incorporates a dual-ring ball-bearing design that not only improves airflow, but also reduces noise and ensures the card stays cool and quiet. The small form factor is another highlight, which makes it a perfect solution for space-conscious gamers who refuse to compromise on power. Now let's have a look at what ASRock has for us. Their Challenger comes in a neat, compact package with dual fans and a weight of 720 grams. It's built with a 3-slot design and relies on two 8-pin connectors for power. When it comes to power consumption, this card is a great balance. It uses less power than the RX 7600 XT, but slightly more than the RTX 4060 Ti. The Challenger uses the least power, just 178 watts while gaming. If you're someone who caps your frame rate at 60 FPS, power usage drops even more. It's one of the quietest GPUs tested, producing just 24.1 A-weighted decibels. Plus, the cooling system is excellent. Overclocking is still a bit tricky for Intel. They've made some progress with their tools, but during testing, there were frequent crashes. Despite this, with solid pricing, strong cooling designs from partners like ASRock, and better gaming performance overall, Intel's B580 cards show a lot of promise for the future. The next one is from Sparkle. Their Titan OC is 32 centimeters long and weighs 952 grams, which is no surprise considering the 3-fan cooling system it packs. The Titan runs at a boost clock of 2740 MHz and comes with 20 Xe cores and 20 ray tracing units for strong gaming and ray tracing performance. The memory setup includes 12 GB of GDDR6 on a 192-bit bus, which gives you speeds of up to 456 gigabits per second. It supports 8K at 120 Hz HDR with display stream compression, so if you've got a high-end display, this GPU can keep up. It's also got a clean, modern look with a subtle blue breathing light that adds a little style without being over the top. Finally, it measures 315 by 117 by 44 millimeters, so you'll need to make room. Overall, the Sparkle Titan OC delivers excellent performance, smart cooling, and a design that looks as good as it performs. Maxin brings the B580 iCraft 12G that's equipped with 12 GB of GDDR6 memory. Powered by the Intel Arc B580 GPU, the card provides fast data transfer and responsive gameplay. Cooling is handled by a triple-fan design with reverse fan technology to reduce noise levels while improving airflow efficiency to keep thermals in check. ARGB lighting adds customizable, vibrant visuals, enhancing the aesthetics of any setup. The card supports the future with HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 2.1 outputs, allowing for resolutions up to 8K. From its graphics clock boost of 2850 MHz to a memory bandwidth of 456 gigabits, every spec contributes to its top-tier performance. Plus, its durable iCraft alloy backplate gives the card a sleek, robust finish, while offering rigidity and heat dissipation. Measuring 241 by 104 by 43.1 millimeters with an efficient 190 watt power consumption and an 8-pin ATX 12-volt connector, this GPU brings power and efficiency for modern PC builds. Lastly, Onix brings the Lumi B580 OC graphics card especially for the China market. Right from the packaging, you see Intel's signature blue and purple at the bottom, sitting against a clean white grid background. The card itself is compact and dual fan, with a pure white design that's smooth, sleek, and just a little bit special. Between the fans, Onix added a layered, nested design that gives this small card a nice sense of dimension. It runs overclocked at 2740 MHz right out of the box and uses just a single 8-pin connector. The dual ball-bearing fans keep the noise down, just 30 decibels during normal use. You can sync it with the rest of your setup and set any vibe you want. The 260mm length and 2.2 slot thickness mean it can fit into just about any build, even small mini ITX cases. Also, the back has a large open grille to help with airflow. All in all, it's powerful, compact, and gorgeous. all wrapped up in a card that fits like a charm in any build. So these are the options for getting the Battlemage B580. Make the right choice for your needs. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.